Assalamu alaikum. This time we are going to do work number 13. I hope everyone has done previous work till work number 12. Today we are going to do work from our countdown book. This is page number 28. Open this page. Yes, and you have to write work number 13 at the top and write today's date. And now look here, what work we have to do? Numbers 30 to 39. We have to write the numbers and number names. Here we have blocks. Every block has 10 boxes, right? So it means each block is containing 10. So we will call it 110. Look here, everyone, let's check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 110. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is one more 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is one more 10. Right? So 110 plus 110 is 2 tens. 110 means 10. 2 tens mean 20. Right? So 2 tens plus 110 is 30. 2 tens and 1 plus 110 is 30. So it means 3 tens mean 30. 3 tens means 30. Okay. Children, now look here. We have 3 tens here and 3 tens mean 30. Right? 30 plus. Is there any ones? This is? No. There is only 0. It means 30 plus 0 is 30. Right? 30 plus 0 is 30. These are 3 tens. 3 tens mean, yes, 30. And 30 plus, is there any ones? No ones. So it means there is 0. So 30 plus 0 is 30. And here we are going to write it in name. It is number name 30. T-H-I-R-T-Y-T. Start from here, make dot and then line of T. 30. Okay? Alright, now come to B part. First one is already done in your book. Now let's see. B. Okay. Now how many tens are these? 1 ten. Children, remember all these are tens. And here is the place for ones. Right? So how many tens are these? 110 plus 110 plus 110. 110 plus 110 is 2 tens. 2 tens plus 110 is 3 tens. And 3 tens mean 30. So we will write 30 over here. 30 plus. How many ones are here? Yes, this is only one block is here. So we will write 1. This is 3 tens is 30 plus 1 ones. We have written 1 ones. Okay. So 30 plus 1 is, yes, very good, 31. 30 plus 1 is 31. And now we will write here number name. The spellings of 30 are, come on, THIR, 30, 30, and then 1. Look, THIR, 30. Start from here, and then we always start making the dashes, these lines of T and dot of I or J. We will always start it from the first letter, okay? Don't write from the middle or from the end. In this way you will miss any line of T or dot of I. If you will start it from the first letter, then no line will or no dot will be missed, right? So this is 30, and what we have to make here? Dash, and then 1. 31. Right, children? 31. Okay. Now look here. How many tens we have? 110 plus 110 plus 110. 1 tens mean 10. 2 tens mean 20. And 3 tens mean 30. Very good. So 3 tens mean 30. We will write it here. 30 plus 3 tens mean 30. And how many ones are here? 2 ones. 3 tens and 2 ones will make, very good, what will make? 32. 3 tens and 2 ones is 32. 3 tens is 30 plus 2 ones. 3 tens and 2 ones is 32. And here we will write it like this. THIR, 30. Start from here. 30. Don't forget to start from the first letter. Okay, remember. 30. What will happen if we will not make the dash? No, we have to make the dash because 2 is separate. Okay, 2 is separate number. 32. Okay, right. So now you have to tell me, yes, how many tens are these? This is a line of tens. How many tens? Yes, 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. 3 tens mean, yes, 30. 3 tens mean 30. 30 plus, how many ones are here? 1, 2, 3. 30 plus 3. So it means it is 3 tens plus 3 ones. So we will write it like this: 3 tens and 3 ones. 3 tens and 3 ones is 33. And now we will write it number name. Look here, PH. You have to tell me its spellings. Yes, children, I am listening. Yes, THIR, 30. Now start from here. 30 dash 3. 33. Right, children? Okay. Now in this way you have to complete this page number 28, and you will complete till 30 to 39. Okay, children? Alright. Okay, children. Now we are going to do page number 41. We have done 28. Okay. Now page number 41. Open this page. Write down work number 13. And now put your fingers and start reading this question. Write the numbers that comes A before, B after, C between. Children, you have done this work in prep class, and I know you all are smiling because it's very easy work for you. Okay, everyone is enjoying? Okay, let's enjoy this word now. Okay, before, I want to tell you, in before counting, we will use the concept of backwards counting. If you know backwards counting very well, then you can do this work very easily. So look here, what comes before 44? 43, right? What comes before 59? Yes, 58. Look here, this tens will same, only this ones will go behind. What comes before 59? 58. Right? Okay. Now what comes before 70? Okay, it is the number of tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All these numbers are from tens. Here I want to tell you one thing, that this tens will change and this ones will also change when it is the number of tens. This tens will change into a number before 70 will change into 60. Okay? And this 0 will change into 9. Right? So what comes before 70? 69. Right? Look, both numbers are changed. Here we have not changed 50. We have changed only ones. Tens is same, but only ones is changed. But when the number is in tens, then we will change the both numbers. This 0 will change into 9 and this tens will change a number before. Right? Like I am giving you one more example. Look here. Like if it is 30, what we will do? Then this tens will change into 2 and this 0 will change into 9. Okay, let's take one more example. If it is 80, what we will do? Yes, this 8 tens will change into 7 tens. 1 10 before, right? And this 0 will change into 9. Okay? Why this 0 will change into 9? Look here, this is also very interesting. If you will learn this thing, then there will be no any mistake in your work. Look, counting start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? So, look, when this 9 will come, then the tens will start. So, after every 9, we will start from 0. Okay? And after every 0, like this, like now it is 10. So, after every 10, we will go back into 9. Right? So, this 0 will change into 9. If it will be 2, then it will become 0 will change into 9 and 2 will become 1. If it is 30, then this 0 will change into 9 and 2 will change into 2. If it is 100, then what we will do? Yes, this 0 will change into 9 and this 10 will change into 9. Right? This 10 will change into 9. And simply, when you will use the backwards counting, then it will be more easy for you. And if these are random numbers, then you can use this method that I explained you to change the tens and ones. Okay? Now see, this is 100. What comes before 100? Yes, every child knows this is 99. And if we will change the 0 into 9 and 10 into 9. And what comes before 100? Simply you can say 99. What comes before 64? Yes, this 60 will remain same and 4 will change into 3. Right? Okay. Now, B part is after, numbers after. What comes after 23? 24. This is simple counting. 99. What comes after 99? 100. It's the most interesting number. 77. Oh yes, 78. Very good. 56. Yes, 57. Simply we are changing this number into next. This ones is going into next number. Look, all the tens are same. No, this 10 is not same. This will change into next 10, right? Now this 23 is 24, 99 is coming 100, 77 is 78, 56 is 57, 18 is 19. Okay, one more number. See, if it is 29, then what we will do? Look, this 2 will change into next 10. This 10 will change. This 2 will change into 3 and 9 will become 0. Right? In backwards counting, we will change this 0 into 9 and in forward counting, we will change this 9 into 0. Right? Okay. And now these are C part is between numbers. Look, 65, 66, 67. Here we can check the number after and we can check the number before. Here we can check the both concepts, before and after. And the middle number is in both situations same number, right? What comes after 14? 15. And what comes before 16? 15, right? And 14, 15, 16. What comes after 49? See, this 4 will change into 5 and this 9 will change into next 10, 0. So what comes after 49? 50. What comes before 51? 50. Okay. Now, what comes after 70? 71. And what comes before 72? 71. So it means we can use both concepts. Both concepts are getting clear. What comes after 83? 84. And what comes before 85? 84. So it is 65, 66, 67, 14, 15, 16, 49, 50, 51, 70, 71, 72, 83, 84, 85. Okay children, now you will see that in your book only this number is same but rest of the numbers are different. So you will solve this question number 1 in your book. Now we have question number 2. Right. Now look here. Okay. Read this question. Tick this sign. Tick the biggest number. Right? Take the biggest number and circle the smallest number. Here we have to do two things in one question. We have to take the biggest number and from the same question we will find the smallest number and then we will circle it. Now see, look here, 75, 39, 11 and 9. First of all, we will find the biggest number. Which is the biggest number? 75? No. 39, 11, 90. So, we will tick this 90. Make a clear tick. If you want, you can use colors. Okay? You can put a tick at this number. Okay? Your tick should not be so big like this and it should not be very small that the teacher could not check it and the teacher has to find it. Where is the tick? Where is the tick? Okay. So make a proper tick. Its size should be proper. Now we have done this thing. Take the biggest number. Now second part. Circle the smallest number. Which is the smallest number from all? 75? No. 39 and 11. Oh, 11. So what we are going to do? Okay, let's take another color and circle this number. Right? Good. This is A. Now we are going to do B part. Right? Okay, read these numbers. 27, 42, 81 and 19. Now children, what we have to find? First we will find the biggest number. Take the color. Which is the biggest number? 27, no. 42, no. 81, yes. 19, no. 81. 81 is biggest number. So put a tick quickly. Clear tick. Right? Now we have to circle the smallest number. 27 is smallest number. Let's check it. Don't take quick decision, okay? Come on, check it. 27 and 42 27. Okay. Now 27 and 19. Oh, 19 is smallest number. So when we compare these two numbers, we find that 19 is smallest number. So we have to take this 19. No. We have to circle this smallest number. Right? Okay, children. Now on question number 2, in question number 2, you have the parts A to F, and you have to do these parts yourself. I hope you can do this. Okay, is it easy? I think it's very easy and interesting work. You can do it with the colors and you can enjoy it. Okay children, and don't forget to send me the picture of your work. Right? Okay. Now children, I want to tell you one more thing. We have done the table of 0 and table of 1. Please revise these tables. Just try to revise one table every day. Okay? And then you will learn your tables very easily. Okay? Okay. Allah Hafiz.